I don't know about you, but I hate automotive wiring. Any connection you make doesn't seem to last too long, but that ends today. I love these connections, SolderStick connectors. With the solder in the middle and the heat shrink, you get a positive waterproof connection. Don't mind my bench, but let me demonstrate for you. First thing you do is twist your two connections together. Slide the connector over so the solder is right in the middle here. It's best to use a mini torch or a heat gun, but I don't have that at the moment, so... And there it is, a solid waterproof connection. Get a box today, click that link, you won't regret it.